Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys requested ASMR, but guess what? ASMR did not win all the voting, and today we're gonna do a baking with me. We might spill some tea. We're gonna bake. You guys are we won 67% voted baking. Okay, so we're gonna bake. We're doing the bake with me. Pretty much, we're gonna spill some tea and bake at the same time. Get with it. That's how it's gonna go. Sorry for the aggressive intro, but you know what? There is no ASMR today. So what do we want to make? Do we want to make cake, brownies, or cookies?
Brownies.
We're gonna make brownies, possibly cookies if we want to get extravagant, but
No,
I think we're gonna stick to brownies. So yeah. See you in the next clip.
What for that? And then he was like,
Okay guys, so we're gonna start this off by preheating the oven to 350, like the box says, because usually by the time you're done, it should be preheated. So yeah. Okay, so we got the box here. Let me turn this off because my hair is here. So we got the box right here. We're gonna get all the ingredients and spill some tea. Hopefully. Okay guys, we're back. We're gonna get all the ingredients and like just start making. I'm gonna try to make this go unedited because we're just gonna spill tea and make the brownies because that's what a bake with me is. Okay, get with the program. This is how it's gonna go.
Yep.
It's Mariana, if you haven't guessed. Sorry,
Sure.
that's my dad texting me.
it should be.
Why is this lighting so goofy, man?
Because it's
Why
bad
don't
camera
face
quality.
sparkling?
You don't want to know.
Okay, so the
Oh,
first
what the
thing.
heck? Y'all had a stripper in your house?
We're being retarded.
Yep. The first thing we're gonna get is oil. Oh my god, do we have oil? I can't see.
There you go, Shadow.
Oh,
Oh, no, I used it all. At the gas station down the street.
no. So we might not be
Let's go out
making
there.
brownies. Let's see if the cookies need oil.
No, those need vegetable oil too.
Okay, so we might be making a pre-dough.
Oh no, there's vegetable oil right up in that bitch.
Oh, never mind. So we
hold on.
have vegetable oil. Welcome to the dysfunctional.
You fucking thought,
house.
stupid.
Stop cursing, because now I'm gonna have to edit a bunch, and it's not cool.
Why?
Because I'm gonna get demonetized. What you do if I went viral and then I got made a bunch of money and I couldn't get it because you're swearing?
You're gonna get viral off me cussing.
Anyway. Okay, so we need eggs.
Cop.
Bacon, grits, sausage. I'm a skinny bitch, but I still get sausage.
Okay.
I'm flat ass, but I still get
Sausage. Okay.
You know who that is?
I'm a gay nigga, but I still get sausage.
So we're gonna pour the mix in.
Bitch, give me up in here.
Ah, your neck too long.
Such a small.
Oh,
Such a small camera.
I have no oil.
Cursing.
I mean, girl.
What kind of phone is this? iPhone 5?
The whole time it's gonna be like,
What kind of phone is yours? You have an iPhone 6 and you have.
6.
Cameron, the whole
That's
video
all.
gonna be silent because we curse the whole time. Oh, you about to say nigga. Y'all,
Hold up. Hold my pizza, bitch.
get that la boca.
Stop shooting!
Go, the camera. And now look what you did. Take a minute to process that. I'll cook the brownies.
We need 2 eggs.
Okay.
So we need 2 eggs.
Good job.
Bro, it won't take a picture.
Oh, that phone fucked.
Here, we'll just take a picture of my phone.
Get ready. Boo boos.
Y'all gonna get me so.
We got that good lighting. Ugh, we look.
Rough.
Storm, you look dead. Look at
I look like I'm Jacob Sartorius.
We got the eggs.
With the
We
red
need to get the
cheeks.
measurements for the oil. Why are you low key like looking at each other dissing me?
Because you're for real making brownies, so.
I feel like SpongeBob when I hold a spatula.
Yep.
Flip that ass.
I put 1/4 of myself in this.
Kamryn. It's a mix. We're gonna mix it because it's the mix. Jordan, stop.
Hello guys, so this is the brownies. They look like
Put it back. Oh, nice, right? Okay. You're making me look like a
Dang
squirrel.
booty ass, motherfucker.
Okay, y'all.
You don't care, I never see
Thanksgiving might be a little awkward then, huh?
For real though. Y'all gonna be at the time, y'all gonna be like, so how was that YouTube video? And then y'all just like,
He's gonna be like,
well, I mean, Thanksgiving ain't for
another 4 days. You're right.
Brandy, like, I'm gonna eat my own shit for Thanksgiving.
We usually give the dogs like actual like turkey and stuff.
we make them a turkey plate. No, we did that with the cats last year.
And the dogs.
My sister's getting my mom a cat for Christmas. I'm kidding.
For real?
And the cat when the dogs die. Pretty soon.
Yeah, they are a little bit. Brandy, like, I'm 26. I don't know about you, but I'm 26.
6!
No.
Yes.
My titty.
Because you already look like a mess.
A hot mess.
No, a frozen mess.
Okay, no scratch that.
I want a cheeseburger with some cheese in it.
Okay, let's scratch that.
And some pickles. I'll
Okay,
give
so
you
we
a
need to
nickel
get out
if
the
you tickle
pan,
my
but
pickle.
I just did that all by hand. All the people who use machines to mix their brownie mix are lazy because I do it by I do it by hand and it's probably easier and faster.
Sniff her butt.
No, I'm not her booty. Camera shot.
It's gonna be like, hey guys, we're making brownies, and then we're gonna make another video. We're gonna be like, so we're done mixing the brownies.
We're gonna like mix air. We're gonna mix air.
So, the footage deleted from the last
here,
half.
let me see. Here, let me see. You gotta be like, so we're done mixing the brownies.
Oh my god, my foot's really
yeah, it took forever.
Yo, we should make a YouTube video where we try not to curse for 24 hours.
Oh, that's tough.
Do a family recipe. We add chicken cubes to it.
Oh, you do?
No, please lie.
I was about to say, I'm not eating those brownies. Storm!
You ain't gonna taste.
Throw anything in there. Don't
And
have-
a little sodium.
Look!
It's for
I
pretzels.
can't see anything. Where's the spray?
We're out of spray.
Bro, this house broke.
Oh!
No. Have you listened to his music?
Kiss
Have you listened to his music? Why is it so far up, bitch?
Because they need to see me pour it.
Oh.
Here, you gotta scrape that.
I know, baby.
Do you see it glowing?
Baby girl. I'm sorry, I'm not listening.
Kamryn, you sound like that person on that show that we were just watching. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
The child
Poppy,
predator.
you boss. Oh, that dude was so weird.
We need to show those Mariana.
Hey, baby. Now scratch that! Give me some chocolate cookies with some frosting and some whipped cream.
Okay, now scratch that. I need a milkshake. Make a strawberry. No chocolate. I'm a vanilla. And
Now
some fries
scratch that!
will make me
I want some tater tots, not some french fries, with some...
Okay, now scratch that.
Kamryn, you make me constipated
That's
from
how
saying
he
that.
does it.
No. He, not she.
Okay, now scratch that. Who's your daddy?
You.
Over in hot water and rinse out that bowl. Rinse out
You
the
see
bowl.
the stacks?
You know what I am about. I am the champ.
Oh, so
attention. I'ma need you to face front. You don't want to smoke with me. This is a lace blunt. Raps Jackie Chan. We ain't pulling no state.
Lace
My crowd
blunt.
won't fit on your bum ass. Call me Lil Uzi.
And you're yelling at us for cursing.
It's making my
Shadow's staring at you like, when the fuck can you give me a pizza, you
move,
dumbass
please.
bitch?
So, you wanna film this?
So right now we're putting the pan in. It's nothing you haven't seen before.
Hold this?
Kamryn, are people gonna watch this to learn how to make brownies?
No, but it's like...
Brownie tutorial?
Okay, so, you wanna show me putting... Why'd you move the tray over, you freaking weirdo?
Ow.
Ah!
It burnt.
So these are going in for
For the
45 minutes.
You just slapped me with your pizza.
man.
So 25 minutes.
Okay, so her phone don't want to turn around. So.
But I still get sausage.
Yeah, we all got the same mama. We all look alike. Y'all heard that?
In the oven, we'll update y'all. Or we might just do like a little dance compilation. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so since then, 25 minutes, we just switched into our pajamas. But right now, the brownies are done. Thank y'all for watching this video and being on this crazy dramatic journey with us. Y'all are some trolls. Don't be jealous that no one likes you. Y'all like this video if you don't like Storm. Why? What if it went viral? Oh my god,
I don't fucking care.
Okay, so yeah, like and your chode, exactly. Like and subscribe. Follow me on the social medias, link in bio.
And
yeah.
go to Lowe's.
Not spons. And peace out, girls. God out.